So this is the Euro-Yen analysis for Monday, the 27th of November. So before we have a look at where prices are and where they are likely to go, let's have a look at the risk disclaimer. Now with the risk disclaimer out the way, let's have a look where we expect prices to go. Now, we have had this very strong breakout, and we have come down. We've somewhat invalidated this 3170 essentially. We've retraced so far beneath it, so we've come down to retest, almost come to retest these lows over here on your left from the 19th to the 20th. We've come down to this area here in around this 3120. So it's 50 pips away from this zone. We've come down to this scenario where we did see some buy side momentum, and again we have seen some buy side momentum. There wasn't a very strong trend initially. It's just a persistent move to the upside. The candles were pretty small in size. There weren't anything to suggest a strong momentum in the market, but they were consistent and they were of the same color. So there was a very strong, somewhat vertical bullish trend. Now, we had this had a brief little pullback here, but with the 400 and 200 period moving average, 200 period moving average here in blue, 400 period moving average here in black, we somewhat got quite a bit of momentum to break through these 200 and 400 period moving averages. So as we can see here, in comparison to the previous trend, we've got these small candles consistently going up, but some strong buying momentum came into the market to break above these dynamic level of possible resistance. So we've had a sell-offs there. We had a brief little pullback there from the 400 period average, but we both had some strong bullish buy side momentum taking us above that level, and we didn't see much reaction around at 32.83. Again, we broke above that level. We did look poised to retest at 33.45. Now we've come to 33.04. It's not a level that I place much significance of, but we have come up there and we have stalled. Now we have seen these strong candles here to the downside, candles closing near the lows, pretty sizable, but we've come down to an area where we weekly level in around 32.83. So we'll see our price will be up to 32.83. It's a weekly level, so I potentially can see price pulling back from here to retest in around 33.45. If we're not able to hold 32.83, we'll be looking for price to come down to this 200 400 period moving averages around the 32.40. If we don't see any buy side momentum, possibly taking us up to 32.83 or possibly up to 33.45. We're looking for more sell side momentum, taking us all the way down to is 132. I'm pretty sure. Just bear with me a second. Yeah, we are 132. So we're looking for price to take us all the way down to this 132. If we're not able to hold the 200 and 400 period average, below which we're looking to retrace the entire move all the way back down to 3170. Now the euro yen's in a trading range in around 134 to the upside and 131.70 to the downside. Again, at these levels we're looking for potential buy side momentum to come back into the market, or potential targets if we are going short the market. Well, if we were biased to the short side. Now, if we do see, let's see where we are. So if we do see the sell side momentum again below 31, the market has been quite volatile on Friday actually. So if we do break below 31.70, we're looking to retest at 31.20. Now, if we do break to the upside, let's just have a look at the level we're looking at. So above 33.45, it would be that 134 actually. Yes, 134. So above the 33.45, if we do get up there, if we do turn around from 32.83, and we're looking at the 134 level. Beyond 134, we're looking at 134.50. So those are pretty much the levels we're looking at here on the hourly chart. So we're just going to have a look at the higher time frame. So we can just go over to the monthly chart first, and let's see where we are and get the scale on here correct. And there we are. So here on the monthly chart of the euro yen, we're in a very strong uptrend. So we've had our lows there, had a pullback, posted a high low, as can be seen by this most recent trend. Even though we've had a bit of a pullback, it has been a very strong trend to the upside, as you can see here. Very strong trend. We do look poised for upside continuation, possibly going up towards our medium-term target to that 135.60. Now, let's just have a look at the weekly time frame. So over here in the weekly time frame, we can see, let's grab a pen. So we've had a series of higher lows. We've had pullback, bull flag continuations, pullback, bull flag continuation. We've come into this bit of consolidation now. So we're in a bit of a zone, you know, 134, 131.70, but we do seem poised for more upside momentum. If we do get a follow through from Friday, we are looking to retest the height of this little channel that's developing that was better showed on the daily chart, and we do look possibly to a target at 35.60. Now let's just have a look at the daily chart. So if we go over to the daily chart, as you can see, this is the trading range I was mentioning. So we've got top of the range around that 134 level. 134 level, and bottom range being at 131.70, and again, so we've just been oscillating between these two zones, and we have had a strong candle from Friday, as can be seen there with a triangle beneath it. So we do look poised to retest the upper end of the zone, beyond which we're possibly looking for prices to come up all the way up to, let's see what that is, that's in around 34.50. So in around 34.50, if we do successfully navigate 134, that's potentially where we'll be looking for prices to go. So that should wrap up the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.